where Nimesh joins us to tell us what he's picking up in D-Street chatter. Nimesh, what's your sense?
Hi Nigel, an interesting day of trade at day's low, largely dragged by the large caps like HDFCBank and Reliance. But again, the feedback is today there is basket buying and also there is a market at close, FI float and leading FI. So contrary to the screen, the flows seems to be quite positive and quite active as well. A lot of funds seems to be active in terms of activity today. So the volumes are on the higher side. Again, the broader markets are relatively outperforming and doesn't look like there is a panic selling yet in the broader markets. Of course, the Nifty looks weak, largely on back of the large cap names. The FOMC outcome will be important event to track today. But if you remember on Monday, I highlighted about possible fundraising via QIP. We saw what happened to Blue Star today, up 39% after the QIP announcement. I guess a couple of more QIPs are lined up for this week. I'll address one of them in the chatter as well. But broadly, while the screen looks weak, there is flow which is positive, and there is a MOC buying as well at a leading FI desk.
Okay, all right. Nimesh, you said you'll address one of those stocks in your chatter list, so let's go straight to that.
Well, Nigel, the first stock is Sheela Foam. I spoke about the trend of QIP fundraising. Looks like the QIP for Sheela Foam is round the corner. It should happen very soon. That's the general indication, and hence a bit of outperformance as well. This week the stock is up 6%, so watch out for that. So that's the first one. The second stock is Bharti airtel. Looks like some institutional interest is back on that stock. For the last couple of days, the feedback is there is buying interest back from larger FIs. And even in today's trade, the volumes are on the higher side and there are buy flows as well. So that's Bharti airtel. The third stock is Tarsons Products. There's a large block, nearly 3% equity got changed hands today. Not sure on the exact details, but looks like an FI investor was a seller in today's block. So the disclosures could be quite interesting in that particular name. And the last stock is Polycab, a big mover in today's trade, up 3%. But contrary to the move, I understand there are sell flows at a leading FI desk. So again, contrary to the screen, there is selling pressure in Polycab, this is what I understand from leading FIs.
Okay, Sheela Foam, Bharti, Tarsons, Polycab. Interesting list as always. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. What to buy or sell today for a reverse?